plunge, infrared sauna, and also it comes with a vitamin C shower. And then they also gave us complimentary boxed water, element, electrolytes, and then these eucalyptus towels, which is so nice. Big part of my reset routine is getting movement in, and I love jetset Pilates. It's such a difficult class, but it feels so good once you're done. We are doing a photo shoot for my friend's thrifted collection, and we have this really cute shirt here, and now I'm changing into this shirt, but I'm so excited, so I'm gonna do a little bit behind the scenes. I can't believe I've never been here before, like back here. It's really cool.
But it's so under...
Just two girls recording their fits. The only time I ever feel like a cool girl is when she dresses me. Next outfit. This coat is so cute. We just took some pictures in it. I should probably insert some pictures, but isn't this giving everything? Trip in May, so I want to continue thrifting because I keep finding really good stuff on Depop, but then I'm finding it's a little bit overpriced. I need to go back to the basics and just start thrifting myself, and I finally have time today, so let's go. Because there was so many good things, but came here to avoid the Depop pricing. It is like real leather, so like the jackets were like $50 each. I was picking them up like I could afford it all, thinking like this is gonna be like $20. So on to the next. I've been very fixated on making these homemade healthy bagels every weekend as a part of my reset because I love to meal prep for the week ahead, and this will help me with breakfast throughout the week. I really love these. They are so good, and if you haven't tried making homemade bagels, you definitely need to. That it's bothering me so much. I need to put away laundry, change out my sheets, and just tidy up in general. So let's do that, because when you have a clean room, you clean People are gonna be like, this feels performative.
It is. Because we've been here for 3 hours, I'm only going to.